TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the assignment, Cooking and Enjoying a Meal. Option 1 is Cooking and Enjoying a Meal. If we scroll down, we see the option 1 is about you cooking a meal and doing your research on the nutritional value of that meal. For option 1, you have the following steps, and I'll let you read that at your leisure. And you have a template, or I provide a template, though I am by no means forcing you to use this template. I'm strongly recommending you do. The template will look like this for the first option. You will notice as you work through this that I have organized all the information that you need to present. An excellent template. Please feel free to use it. Back to our content. Our second or alternative assignment is if you're unable to cook a meal, it's about you describing a meal that you might have eaten. And the content expectations are quite similar. The template for this, here's the link, will look like this. And it's titled Cooking and Enjoying a Meal, your name, and the alternative assignment. Follow through the slides step by step. Going back to the content page. The marking rubric, the link is here. The rubric will look like this. As with all my rubrics, you need to carefully pay attention to what the rubrics tell you, because this is how I mark your assignment. Back to the content page. Now, you may create a PowerPoint, you can do a YouTube video or a graphic presentation. This is your choice. Like I said before, I have provided templates, but you're not forced to use them. I just recommend you do. Now, once you've completed the assignment, you're going to go to Discussions. Here's the link on the menu bar. When you open this link, you will find this page, and you scroll down to the Cooking and Enjoying a Meal section for this upload. And you open this, and then you upload your document or documents. Now, back to our main content page. If you have any issues or concerns, please feel free to let me know, and I will be very happy to help you. Use your private discussions to let me know what issues or concerns you have. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye now.